He's flipping something. Hands up! Hands up!
That AP on my hand. See Terrell the go up fan. All these pussies got no motion.
Stop.
Put your hands. Put your hands out of the car.
Hands out of the car.
Show me your hands. Do it now. He's flipping something. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Hell no. This motherfucker came out of nowhere with a rifle. Started lighting that motherfucker. Do your homework on lighting that motherfucker. He started lighting that motherfucker up. How dumb you gotta be, sir? Then you lit it up like, you lit it at the police. Put it like that in other terms, bro. Like, you slow. That's why I say all the time, motherfuckers like this, you gotta keep them locked up. You gotta do your background check. Do your homework on crazy, bruh. This motherfucker hopped out the truck with his rifle and started blinking at the police with it. You lost your motherfucking mind, bruh. You lost your motherfucking mind, seriously. Justified. Drop this dumb ass.
Shots fired.
Still on that bitch, drop this dumb ass. Still at that motherfucking bitch. That's it.
You good, bro? Yeah, I'm good. You alright?
They dropped his ass like a fly, bruh. Fuck is you talking about? Stop playing, bro. Drop this dumb ass. Look, y'all ain't gotta step up like that. Y'all cool now. Y'all already dropped him. Y'all ain't gotta walk up that slow. You know what I'm saying? He already popped. He already got dropped. Do your homework on comatose.
Hey, stay with me. Squad.
Nigga talking about some stay with me. He can't stay with you. He already left. Do your homework on left. He already checked out.
Make it.
Yep,
Grab that kid.
Suspect. Officer T4.
Alright, guys, come here.
We need someone closing down Silver Creek farther south. Skin.
Man, it's over.
The arm. Med kit in the back. You need a key.
I don't know what made you think that was a good idea, sir.
Rip that roll, guys, real quick. Rip that roll. Give me the plastic. Give me the plastic.
What's that?
Off the record.
Plastic.
Off the record.
Are you guys good? We're good. So we've got two more guys. Got two chest wounds. Back to you. One up here. I just want to put your hand on that. Negative. We're out here. I've got a couple dead ones out. I'm so sorry. I was not as far off, just rolled out. What do you do? I believe it's south of that. So the...
73.
Good.
Yeah, 50 feet respond.
I don't know why y'all doing all of that. It's over with. He dead. Do your homework, nigga. Like, that was like, what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes ago. Like, come on, bro. It's over.
If they want, I was not involved.
Yeah, let's go. So entrance room right there?
Right here underneath my right hand. Right here.
Okay.
Ready for it?
Yep.
Unit 2 by in front of 10430 Silver Creek. Repeating
Are we self-vented?
10430.
Good.
Self-venting.
Yes. Yes. Got another entrance room in the back, right? Or in the exit wound?
We've got another wound right here underneath my hand.
Oh, fucking crazy, bro.
Watch your eyes. Ready for it?
That's the end. Yep.
Do you have anything on the legs?
I can come off here.
These are the only two that I see sucking chest wound. Bleed. That one.
It's justifiable. So fine, this is over with, man. It's over with.
Alright, what do we got? Multiple GSWs. Is he breathing?
Hey,
Is it a pulse?
I need a car up here to shut this road down. You're alive, but get some crime scene tape, please.
No pulse.
Only to have second chest wounds in the first row up. Yeah, that's one of us. That's one of us. Those are the only two I saw.
And this is why you shouldn't shoot at the police, bro. Keep it main with you. This is why.
We did have
Yeah,
no respirations.
bro.
Here, hold him back.
Yeah,
I'll throw him inside to you.
No respirations. Multiple GSWs in the chest.
That's why you gotta keep it locked up. Motherfuckers like this.
Pulse. It's just nice to jump.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and roll him.
Put your hands out of the car! Show me your hands! Do it now! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Get his ass up.
Shots fired, shots fired. Stand by. Yeah, I'm good. You alright? God damn it.
That's the end of this video, man. They just doing like a little recap. Like I said, y'all take notes, y'all learn, bro. Seriously, like, nigga, don't shoot at no motherfucking police. Because that's not a good idea. Look what happened to my boy. He's RIP. He checked out. Did homework on checked out. But till next time, y'all subscribe to my second channel. It's called Yo Terrell Reacting Again. Fire ass content being produced over there. You want me to disappointed, man. Y'all go subscribe to my third channel, Terrell Be Hotboxing. I'm taking over with this content shit, bro. Like I said, enough said. Got more videos after this. And I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. I'm out. Second channel for life, but it's a marathon. Y'all stay in y'all P's and Q's. Don't be out here lacking, man, for real.